Ricky. We tryna ride, we tryna slide, we tryna ride, we tryna die, we tryna ride, go. We tryna slide, go. We tryna ride, we tryna ride, go. We tryna ride, Ricky. Most of my brother be GD.
Come with me to, eat some Vietnamese food, y'all. Let's get it. Too long.
Skirt. I'm about to crash today. I'm about to flash today. Suit up. I'ma put on that mask today.
Alright, Trim Gang, we in this bitch right now. And this what they got going, man. This how the menu looking. Thank you, man. Enjoy. Thank you, brother. Yeah, man. We got a shrimp chicken pho. They got hers. And baby, what you say this called?
Bean sprouts.
Bean sprouts. The white things right there, those are bean sprouts. What is that, basil on top?
I think so.
Basil on top. We got the limes. Baby, what did he say this is?
I forgot. Some chili spicy stuff.
Some spicy sauce that goes on there as well. And I don't know what the fuck this is, y'all.
What the hell is even that?
But baby wanna try this shit, we gonna try this shit. You feel me? This shit compared to mine. Her shit red as fuck. She got the jalapenos and everything. She fucking her shit up. Eat, ugly ass.
Oh God! Stop, y'all are being mean. Eat, ugly.
What's up, Trim Gang? You know what's going on, man. I told y'all we trying the pho, which is Vietnamese. Damn, I can't say that shit. Vietnamese food. You feel me? And yeah, we just wanna see what's up with it.
Yeah, I already prayed and everything.
Yeah, we definitely pray,
Thank you, God. What a life. You hear me? Thank you, God. For real, though.
That God keep us safe.
Oh my God, it looks so spicy, bro.
I'm scared.
Taste the juice.
Look at that, y'all.
I'm telling you, got the broth on the chicken.
I know they put chicken in there because we got chicken.
You ready to taste the broth? This should probably spicy as hell. Okay.
I'm trying the noodles first to see.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
Hey, y'all.
Spicy was medium, which is right. Is it good?
Me, hey, y'all.
See?
I ain't gonna lie. This bitch bust down.
It's my inside. She got this tattoo.
I just got a tattoo and she keep on hitting it. She keep stabbing it, hitting it, all type of shit.
I'm a very touchy person. That's aggravating.
I'm gonna fucking hit me. Let me show y'all a view one more time. So y'all can see what I'm eating. Yeah. That's what I'm eating right there.
Is this salt or sugar?
Yeah, that bitch hitting. I had to show y'all one more time. That sugar. Damn, babe, it's cutting you off. There we go. Babe, I like it.
You do?
And they say you're supposed to drink the juice, you feel me? That shit steaming.
So yeah, I had a little salt, so I'm gonna put some over.
Oh yeah, this buzz down, for, especially in the winter time.
That's what I'm saying. We got this in our place for the winter time, okay?
We found a new spot, y'all. Feel me?
Take a picture. I'm dressed it up in the front. I gotta post on my YouTube.
Come get y'all some Vietnamese food, man. It's really good. They got all type of shit. Cucumbers, carrots.
I'm so glad you like it. I'm glad I like this.
Thank you, baby, for talking me. Hey, she had to talk me into eating this shit, man. Hey, I almost didn't fuck with this shit just because. I mean, I like trying new shit, but
Exactly.
I be spooked at the same time because if I don't like it, I'm gonna be mad. And I was hungry. I'm hungry as fuck, y'all. So I ain't want to waste no time. What's wrong with you? Yeah, I see the way she act over a bug.
Y'all supposed to cut the fly right here.
Hey, just shoo it away from me. Why you acting crazy over a fly?
It's gone.
She act like she don't have no fucking sense. That God gave her
got bug
fucking
over
ability.
here.
She really do. Eat your vegetables, homie. That shit good, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
I'm trying to figure out what the fuck do you got going on. Are you okay?
Went down the wrong hole, man. Look at nigga ass. What this called, baby? Why you ain't show my people? Yeah, that's called what you say? Bok choy. You feel me? Man, that shit good. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wish I was blind.
Nah, let me see your head.
Yeah.
You don't want the jalapeno?
But you know I don't want no fucking jalapenos. I don't want that, this either. I like what I got. Yeah, they got shrimp in here and everything. They got chicken in this bitch.
Eat. Ugly.
Okay, stay easy.
I should have added shrimp on mine too.
And for anybody that's watching this and if y'all think I'm holding these wrong, whatever, I'm come on here talking shit. I'm learning.
Don't worry, just start talking hard. If you talk shit, you talking shit, right, bitch.
Come on. Let's go outside. Go outside for what? We gonna fight.
No cup.
Oh, you.
Zucchini. That is shit good.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is y'all ready for the holidays? Halloween? I don't like Halloween, but I'm ready for the decorations.
Winter my favorite time. I'm a winter baby. So
I'm just here for the decorations.
I love to be up under the fire, you know.
I don't know, like, as I'm getting older, me too. I like the hot cocoa type, the under the fireplace type, like in my roll.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallow. And I live on watching movies, but I think that
I said marshmallows, s'mores. I know what I'm saying.
gingerbread houses and type shit.
I just want to be around, you know, my baby nieces and nephews and shit, like dry kids, like that holiday shit really be for the kids too, because you know, yeah.
When you're on.
I am eating my noodles.
I don't know why you guys use this.
What you mean? Because I'm not swapping them like you. You gotta swallow. Damn.
I need to see what yours tastes like.
I'm finna sleep good when I get home. We finna cut on our show. Yeah, baby. Here, drink it.
Taste yours like a...
Yeah.
She's so sweet, so I love her.
I did good.
Let me see if she get like me.
It's good, it just ain't that spicy. And it's seasoned though. It's seasoned. You rate it 1 to 10.
Okay, it's a... Nah, I give it a 9 out of 10 because hers is sweet.
Oh wow. I can't get a 9.5.
Okay, now look, it's good. I give it 10 out of 10, but hers is sweeter than mine. I'm not really no sweet. I'm not really no sweet.
Ooh, her lips sweet.
They're not spicy. My baby got a new tattoo. Did you show her?
Nah. I don't know if y'all really can see it. They got you. You know, 222-444-111. 222 is alignment. 111 is intuition. And 444 is protection. I'm a spiritual nigga, y'all. And if you didn't know, you know.
That's good, but it's sweet. It's more sweet than spicy. But you got your flavor.
That's because I put that shit you
The
told me.
horse sauce. You got the flavor one. I like spicy. You like sweet. So,
But it's like sweet and spicy because you put. I can still taste them. Look at that red pepper. Look at that.
Yep, that's what I like. I like my shit spicy. Like if my nose not running,
She don't want it.
I don't know. My shit need to be running like a baby with a fever. Or I don't want to keep that little ass pain and shit. I don't want that.
I'm drinking more than my. That's what I see what I'm doing. I'm drinking more of my juice than I'm eating the noodles.
That's good.
But the juice is so good, I can't stop eating it.
It's better than chicken broth.
It is. You want to scrub?
Yes, I do. I can take all you got.
And then we get to fighting, you know. Bitch ass nigga.
Yeah.
Popping on your bitch ass.
I'm full.
Me too, babe. We got rice and fucking
But don't get
noodles.
my money. I'm eating everything.
No, I know they got to go place. We taking this home, whatever we don't eat. I ain't wasting nothing. Oh shit.
What the hell?
Drink you some water. Can I get some more drink? It's one thing that I really don't
That buck truck.
fuck with.
That buck truck.
Bug truck.
Yeah, it bothered my teeth.
It did. It's bothering the roof of my mouth.
Bitch, make the roof of my mouth itch.
It tastes like it's too earthy. You know, it tastes like grass. My little stomach is good in a bitch. Yeah, I keep almost choking because when you slurp it up, god damn, it goes down the wrong hole.
That's one thing about it. Too. I don't eat broccoli like that. It's just cheesy broccoli. I need like real sauce.
They finna take this up out of there. Cause I keep accidentally eating it, I'm gonna get mad. Baby, did you like these bean stalks?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What they call bean stalks? It tastes like carrots or something. Kinda got a carrot taste. Little than them.
Hey, excuse me. Can I? You want another Sprite?
Yeah.
Can I have another Sprite, please? Thank you.
Thank you, brother. They eating basil. You can eat it. It just don't taste good.
They don't. I'm saying that's it. What you want? You can eat it.
I'm getting the fuck out your shit.
Yeah, I overdid it.
Cause it's supposed to be for decoration, baby.
Well, why they tell me to put it on?
They eat decoration food. I can't do it. I
I just can't do it. I can't take this shit no more.
I can't grab it. That's pissing me off.
Just do like this.
But I'm only getting chicken. I want the rice. That rice be falling right on off. Yeah,
I mean, that's just your really though. It's like a chicken. Yeah, but
And I ain't fucking with the shrimp.
yeah, I'm fucking with the shrimp. But I love chicken. That's all I eat every day all day.
You want this like? You want my shrimp?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah. It's all the chicken.
That's why I said, do you want this shrimp? Cause I've been busting my chicken. I don't like these, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. That's
What the hell?
I can say.
The buck toy, I like it.
It tastes like grass.
It just bother my tooth. Like I know how foam bother your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Like when I chew it, it's like foam.
To me, it just tastes like too much. It tastes too earthy, like they just freshly went to go pick it from outside.
So what you rate out this after I rate?
I rated a 9.5. Because in my mind, I wasn't expecting them to like it. But
Yeah, you got that bitch you got because you was not gonna get it at first.
I wasn't. Yeah, I was going to stick to my roots and get what I can spell and what I know. Which is rice. Which is rice, and I can spell chicken. That's what I was gonna get. But this motherfucker good, you know? I'm judge a book by its cover.
Give me some of your spot.
Strong. Hey y'all, that's all. You feel me? Make sure y'all stay locked in with us. We got new videos on the way from both sides. Y'all go subscribe to my baby channel. Y'all go subscribe at That Girl Shop. Subscribe at Deucey Gang so you can get notifications every time we drop a new video. Stay locked in with us.
Cabbage.
That's all, folks.